For over 40 years, Hypertherm has been designing and manufacturing the world's finest thermal cutting equipment. Hypertherm systems are trusted for performance and reliability that result in increased productivity and profitability for our customers. With an intense focus on technology innovation, Hypertherm has established its position as the industry leader in delivering the tools customers need to achieve superior results. The quality of Hypertherm systems is derived from the company being associate-owned. Share ownership is a powerful motivator with clear benefits for Hypertherm customers. Every product we design is built with the highest quality, just as you would expect from an owner. Plasma is created by applying electrical energy to a gas, which increases its temperature significantly. This high-temperature ionized gas, or plasma, shapes and carries an electric arc from the torch to the metal workpiece. Powermax systems use plasma's intense heat to melt the metal and a high-pressure gas, air or nitrogen, to blow the particles away, resulting in a cut with a narrow width and an edge with good quality that minimizes the need for secondary operations. Powermax plasma systems are versatile tools, whether in the shop, factory, at home, or in the field. Powermax systems cut and gouge a wide variety of metal types, thicknesses, and forms. At sites where fixed power is unavailable, motor generators can power Powermax systems. High power efficiency and advanced power supply technology compensate for low line voltage and ensure high performance cutting and gouging, no matter where the job.
I have thousands of hours running portable plasma torches, both hand and machine torches. We recently purchased the Powermax 1250, and all I can say is wow. It's so much simpler to set up and operate. It's very impressive to cut with.
Industrial duty cycles, low operating costs, and Hypertherm reliability make Powermax systems ideal for a variety of applications. When mechanized cutting is required, quick disconnect technology allows for easy switching between handheld and machine torches. Hypertherm's Powermax line of products will help you get your cutting and gouging jobs completed faster, easier, more reliably, and at a lower cost. All Powermax systems may be ordered in hand torch configurations. 4 systems are also available in machine torch configurations for automated applications. Fast cut speeds, superior cut quality, little or no secondary operations, and no preheating help you do more in less time. No flammable gases, high portability, simple controls, and good arc visibility make Powermax systems easy to operate. Any operator can quickly become skilled with a Powermax plasma system. From the shop to the field, cutting or gouging stainless, mild steel, or aluminum, you can leverage a Powermax system for many jobs. High productivity and long consumable life minimize operating costs. Smart design plus intense testing during both product development and manufacturing delivers industry-leading reliability. Hypertherm's singular focus on plasma, plus the proven performance and reliability of our global installed base, gives you confidence that you are buying the best. Powermax Plasma provides the optimal mix of cut quality, productivity, and low operating cost. And with added ease of use features, safety advantages, and superior versatility, Powermax is superior to oxy-fuel for many applications.
We switched from oxy-fuel to plasma cutting and instantly realized the benefits of the faster cutting speed, cleaner cutting, and increased accuracy with the Hypertherm Powermax 1650 system. Not only did our productivity nearly triple, but we were able to offer a higher quality product to our customers.
Hypertherm's proprietary designs like conical flow, coaxial assist, nozzle shielding, boost conditioner circuit, dual threshold pilot circuit, deliver fast cutting speeds, long consumable life, and superior cut quality for high productivity and low operating costs. Reliability is designed into every Powermax system through features like our patented digital signal processing technology and Power Cool technology, which cools key components efficiently and effectively for superior system reliability.
Well, at Hypertherm, we test our products until they break. Then we find the problem, we fix it, and we test it again, always under the most severe operating conditions. Conditions far tougher than a product will likely see in the real world. It's a 24-hour-a-day operation and is an integral part of our product development process.
You can be confident that Powermax systems will perform reliably under the toughest of conditions. To learn more about Hypertherm Powermax products, visit your local welding, cutting, and gases distributor or go online to www.hypertherm.com.